Entrepreneurship is the process of designing, launching, and running a new business, along with any risks. A positive attitude, innovation are the two most required skills for developing entrepreneurial attitude. Today we have Sagar Chandani as our guest. To begin with the guest talk, I would like to call my friend Ms. Kruti Parekh to introduce our eminent speaker.
Hi everyone, good afternoon to one and all. Mr. Sagar Chandani has a 7+ years experience in creating tangible value for organizations and people through sharing his perspectives, collaborative approach and actions. He has done his Bachelor of Commerce from University of Mumbai, postgraduate diploma in advertising and communication, EMDI Mumbai, and Masters of Management Studies, PI MSR, University of Mumbai. He has an extensive knowledge in entrepreneurship in tangible and intangible context, gaining support from stakeholders for startups, validating business idea, developing startup mindset, soft and hard communication skills in global and digital economy, dealing with business and personal failures, perspective management, priority management, inclusive leadership. Currently, he is working for the overall growth and strategy for technology startups with the Center for Incubation and Business Acceleration. In the past, he has worked as a part of core team for building startup culture and ecosystem in city and with 91 Springboard co-working. He has also a great experience in teaching and consulting by being a part of various sessions in the city as well as internationally. He has great mentoring and advisory skills. Hence, I humbly request Mr. Sagar, sir, to give a motivational speech to the others. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your introduction. Really loved it. Uh, but I'm not going to give any motivation speech, and I'll try my best to give a realistic perspective on what you should be focusing on. See, at the end of the day, if you did something, for example, in the lockdown specifically, if you wanted to lose some weight, or if you wanted to gain some weight, or if you wanted to, do something of your own, the motivation has to come from within. My intent in the next 45 minutes or an hour is to give you a realistic perspective on how to develop an entrepreneurial mindset, and most importantly, why it is important. Okay, so good to see all the faces. Hello, Somani sir, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. So
Yeah.
already, let me just welcome you on this platform. I'm sorry to join late. There were visitors here.
So they, I don't welcome they did, Somani sir, one of the students introduced.
No. I'm telling you something important now. Before we wait for the break, I did your 50% job. Don't worry. So I have just ignited them about this entrepreneurship and the Startup India initiative of the Government of India, and some background I have already given them. So probably that mindset is there, and now I am sure that you will take it further very brilliantly. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Somani sir. Always pleasure to connect with you.
Thank you.
So yeah, so I'll just request for the next 45 minutes, next 45 minutes or so, while you wear an entrepreneurial hat in the future, okay, uh, it is quite possible that you will be stepping onto a lot of decision making. Okay, so my request to you is for the next 45 minutes to an hour, come out of the role of a student. Okay, for next 1 hour, because this is one of the few sessions which gives you an opportunity to kind of open your mind and think length and breadth on multiple aspects, because I know it is important in the coming times that you will be learning a lot of concepts on your core subject expertise, core subject that you are taken in your college. But for next 1 hour, because whatever horizontal conversations that is going to happen now, can create a tangible value, and you can then later correlate it with your studies and take it ahead. Okay, so on that note, अगर किसको नींद आ रहा है या कुछ हो रहा है तो मुझे अभी बता दो. We'll do some entertainment here. We have all the talent. I know there are a lot of good singers, dancers जो TikTok या फिर फेसबुक पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे वीडियोस तो बनाते ही होंगे, तो feel free to volunteer. Okay, I don't mind. You never know. We can then discuss about how that can turn into a business. Always open to such conversations. Okay, किसी को बॉलीवुड, क्रिकेट या फिर न्यूज भी डिस्कस करना है, वी कैन डू इन द नेक्स्ट 1 hour. ओके, वी आर कंप्लीटली कूल. द आइडिया इज कि वो डिस्कशन से भी वी विल लीड टू हाउ दैट वी कैन कनेक्ट टू एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. दैट इज व्हाट we'll be doing. Okay, so my only request is कि just be here. कुछ रहेगा, feel free to ask, stop me and ask, more than welcome. Yeah, but you have to respect time, because I'm sure your sessions have been planned, so we will try to keep it as far as the in our we'll try to do it in the specific time that has been allotted. But just relax and just listen to each and every thought that we are going to discuss, because in the last few slides you will understand why we are discussing few things. Okay, so in entrepreneurship, one thing very important, you have to start with why. So let me share my screen. I'll go on audio. Okay, I'll share my screen, I'll go on audio. Feel free to put in your questions on the chat box or unmute and ask questions. And I would request any one of the moderators, in case I am, if I'm not sometimes if there is an internet discrepancy, directly call me, because I'm not on WhatsApp for now. So for some reason my WhatsApp is not working, so call me, or just give a note here that things are clear in terms if there is an internet discrepancy.
Jagtap sir, you have his number, right? Phone number?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
directly call me. Yeah, so I am going on audio. I'll request you guys to be on video. Okay, and I'm sharing my screen. Yeah.
All second year students, put on your videos.
Yes, sir.
Second year students, I said, not you, Anjali.
So direct
She is
second year, na?
No, not all. There are other second year students also.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
So is my screen visible?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Great. So yeah, so I think that is done. So my journey, obviously we can connect over LinkedIn and discuss, so no worries there. So yeah, been there, like I've been an entrepreneur 7 years back. Then it was my eureka moment that I chose this space of enabling entrepreneurs. So here I am. But yes, so if anyone would like to answer this question, what does success mean to you? Anyone has any thoughts? What is success?
Success will basically mean that the goals that we have made, we are able to achieve it.
Okay, good one. Any other?
Fulfilling our expectations.
Oh,
So may I answer?
yes.
Success is something that comes after failures, and success is the main thing that what we have learned from our failures.
Okay. Yes.
Success is means from this we can get a peace.
Whoa. Okay.
Achieving our dreams.
Okay. Anyone else? क्या बात है, लॉकडाउन ने मतलब सिखा दिया. Failure, peace. Wow, impressive. Very good. Okay. So someone said fulfillment of expectations. Okay, I heard that also, and I understand where that space comes from. So ideally, for some people, success is money. For some people, it could be fame, power. Okay, and fame हो गया, money हो गया, recognition हो गया, या फिर fulfillment or peace and dreams. Okay, everyone has their own parameters. Okay, and it's better it should be that way, or else you will always envy your own success and start seeing that other one is more successful. But on a whole and soul, this is what we look at, right? from an outcome perspective. So even if you have money or fame or anything, anything that you feel, for you success could be, getting a new car or something related, anything, it could be bike, a new laptop. But at the end of the day, you are looking at these three things. You want a sense of belongingness, and during the pandemic or after the pandemic, this becomes top priority, that what is, are people around me, am I doing, something that is creating a good impact. But ultimately you're either looking for belongingness, safe and secure life, correct? You're studying, you have taken, you have taken a journey in the domain that you like, correct? The final goal is to either take up a good job or start something of your own, or be part of a startup, or try to create a financially and financially secure life for yourself. Okay, that's the outcome, right? And ultimately, the fulfilled life, or the joyful life, correct? So that is what at the end of the day you look at, and it never changes. From the first breath to the last breath, this is something that you will be striving for every day. Okay, so my idea here is to just to make you aware that you determine your success, you define your success. But you know what, be it Bill Gates or Ambani or whoever, you or me, we are actually looking for these three things only. So this is where, so now you have to reverse engineer the thought process in a way that what are the actual things that can bring in these three things, and later we will find out how it is connected to the entrepreneurial mindset. Okay, because it is where it begins. Great. What are the biggest skills of 2020 according to you?
Patience.
Okay, मतलब वो तो सिखा दिया ना लॉकडाउन ने, वो तो स्किल एक्वायर हो चुका है.
Self discipline. Self discipline.
Self discipline. Okay. Anyone else?
Creativity,
Okay. Why creativity?
as we were in lockdown, so like most of
Correct. Yes, definitely. I agree. Yes. Yes.
Sir, peace of mind.
Oh, is it? Are you the same person जिसने first answer के लिए भी peace of mind बोला था? Huh? Are you the same one?
No, no, no.
No. Good. So people are looking at peace of mind. Yeah, definitely. If you are peaceful, that means you can create a peaceful environment with people around. And if you're planning to do a startup, that is where you have to become patient. You have to be patient and peaceful. So I'm with you there. You have a point. Yeah. Anyone else?
Innovative ideas.
Okay. But that means creativity and innovation. Correct. Anyone else?
Business skills.
Yes. Business skills में क्या? Like what are business skills?
Sanitizer, mask.
क्या?
Need.
Okay, got it. So skills, now you will be acquiring a particular expertise. In your pharma domain, you're going to acquire. Okay, so that is going to happen with you. But how that will translate into a kind of a life that you want to live is actually attitude, mindset, and approach. Okay, now today, if you do not have a learner's mindset, okay, if you do not have a learner's mindset, or if you increase the intensity of being a learner, okay, it is going to take you a bit ahead than what you are thinking of. Because at the end of the day, everyone is getting the same knowledge. Even this conversation that is happening, everyone is gaining exactly the same inputs that I am sharing, correct? Now, how well are you align all this information within your mind is going to determine a lot of a lot of aspects that you're looking for in life. Okay, let's deep dive into these three things. So I am what I'm trying to what I have tried to done here is whatever my 10 years of experience I have just tried to make it, जैसे Zomato में deliver करते हैं, हम order करते हैं और हमारे घर पे खाना पहुंचता है, right? So I'm just trying to make your path easier by saying is, you know what? Let's try and separate the music from the noise. So at this moment in your journey that you've begun, these are the three things that can actually act as a catalyst. So it is attitude, mindset, and approach. That's it. मतलब no looking here and there. Yes, इसमें additions हो सकता है, इसमें एक आध points और add हो सकते हैं, but ये तो वो basic हो गया. It is like if you want to speak in English, so how ABCD is important, right? It is the basic. That's how we are able to communicate in English or write poetries or songs, right? So this is it. If you want to develop an entrepreneurial mindset or a mindset that that can help you achieve whatever goals that you are, that can help you motivate yourself by yourself. These are the three things, and we'll try to decode it later. Yeah. So at this moment, there is a lot of information that we are getting online, offline, plethora of content out there, that we consume via entertainment or through news or in shorts. Okay. But as a student, as someone who is wanting to become a professional, gone are the days, in your school time or in your early in your 11th, 12th standard, you might have come across a term called as SWOT analysis, that is called as strength, weakness, opportunities, or threat, right? This is something that is there. You can maybe later Google about it. But at this stage today, what is more important is your strength. Okay, and I'll tell you why. See, the world is moving fast. We are changing in a very dynamic atmosphere, and because of the pandemic, the technology adaptation and the connectivity connectivity and the data aspect will always enhance. Correct. So stop worrying about your weakness. That doesn't mean that you don't have to improve on that. I'm talking the worry about that I'm not better at this. I'm not good at this. Today, you take up any sports person that you like, that you really love them, or someone who is very someone that you are inspired from. Okay, they've always focused on their strengths. Okay, and trust me, everyone has top 5 or 6 friends, and that can help them in their particular subject matter expertise that they are gaining. So आपको आपके स्ट्रेंथ पे फोकस करना है, एंड वीकनेस को समझना है, उसमें इंप्रूव करना है, बट जोर यहाँ पर लगाना है. मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ. If you have 4 hours, okay, if you have 4 hours of time, you're really good at badminton. Okay, you're really you can really smash hard on the with the shuttlecock. Okay, so या फन हो रहा है, हमसे भी शेयर करो, मैं भी सुनना चाहता हूँ क्या हो रही है बातें. We can discuss, man, no worries. Yeah. Now, point here being is that we can, if we put in our energy, we can, channelize ourselves better. Second is the network. Okay. Now, when we talk about network, so today you have your professors and your peer group, that all of you guys on the call, right? Don't limit your relationship just with the assignments or the projects that you're going to do. Try to understand, their perspective, how they are seeing their future in this scheme of things. Okay, that is one thing. There is a quite possibility that while you're in the classroom, you might end up competing with each other. But if do you want to compete or collaborate is something that could be a determining factor in your roadmap. That is what you have to think. Okay, network. Talk to people, talk to business owner. Today, LinkedIn gives you LinkedIn gives you easy access to people that you would want to connect with. And nowadays people do respond. अब ऐसा वो, you know, we are not living in a world where people don't respond. They will respond. You have to be specific. You have to be specific. Whatever you are wanting to do, you know, just be specific in your approach. I'll just give you an example. If you like a particular business area, if you like a particular subject, spend some time. Just don't put in your thoughts here and there. You know, spend some time and try to at least perspective. Yeah. So when we talk about attitude, okay, it is, as I said, it is either competition versus collaboration. Okay, I've purposely marked it black because I want you to focus on and in the first two slides on collaboration and respond. You know, as students or as our growing years, you know, there is a tendency that we react to situations and not respond. You know, react is always impulsive. At our home, if you know, if there is a, if we don't agree with our parents or our siblings, we react. We But if you want to become an entrepreneur, okay, you have to step into the pain point of your customers. You have to step into the step into the phase where you are able to capture more information that is going to help you build your idea. And that can never happen if you react. You know, you have to respond. That's the difference. And third, you know, it is very easy for us to focus on people. Now here we have to focus on problems. You know, in your school days or your college days, you might have complained about some people around you that, you know, वो अच्छे नहीं है, वो बुरे हैं, वो ऐसे हैं, वो वैसे. You know, there's all conversations that we do. We all have gone past that stage, right? But slowly as you grow and when you see, you know, you'll start differentiating the problem versus people. You know, people have their own insecurities. Similarly, your potential customers would have their own insecurities. Now let me give you an example. Okay, today most of the products that you are using, you are consuming, okay, that is a result of an insecurity itself. Even the medicines that we are consuming, okay, definitely it is helping us live. It has actually created a positive impact. But if if they are in the complaining state of mind, they will never be able to solve. Okay, so any product or a service is a result of how efficiently you are handling the insecurities of the people, how well you are able to solve for people and not complain about people. So if you carry this attitude for the next the next years in your college and in your life, I'm sure you would, it will act as a catalyst in your later stages where you would be forced to collaborate. Because if you're working for a startup, if you are an entrepreneur and you don't have enough capital, you would have to collaborate with different people, right, to ensure that the dream that you are seeing is given a direction. That is something that you have to start developing now. You know, in your presentations also, you might know that few people would be not good in camera or no, not good in giving their presentation on camera or live. So you have to support them, you have to collaborate them. These are small things, you know, but that will create a big difference in your later stage. And trust me, there is no rocket science in developing an entrepreneurial mindset. It is just these simple things that can create a, you know, that can be a point of difference. Now when we talk about mindset, okay, now usually, unfortunately, you know, we tend to think individually. You know, we think about ourselves, which is fine to an extent. But while you do a business, while you work on an idea, while you work with a team, while you even take up a job, right, team playing is something that is required. I can easily say that this is the biggest skill of 2020, if not anything else. This is the skill, you know. And आप जब नया, so okay, my context here is that be developing an entrepreneurial mindset or an entrepreneurial attitude, okay, even if you're joining a new company tomorrow. See, most of you are not going to join a sarkari daftar, right? जहां पर मतलब आपने देखा, हम सबको पता है, लेट्स बी वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, वी हैव एक्सपीरियंस ऑल ऑफ दैट, करेक्ट? Today, if you're not collaborating, if you're not a team player within the within the company, if you're choosing, or even if your own startup, nothing is going to work. And these are the next 3-4 years are your time to develop these skills. मतलब 10 में से 10 आना एकदम, इट्स नॉट अ बिग अचीवमेंट, बट साथ में मिलके एक ग्रुप प्रेजेंटेशन में अच्छे से टीम प्लेइंग करे, 10 में से 9 भी आए, 8 भी आए और सब लोग खुश है, दैट इज मोर देन इम्पोर्टेंट. बिकॉज whenever you work on your entrepreneurship journey or a new company, it is not a sprint, it is a marathon. Always remember that entrepreneurship is also a marathon and it is not a sprint. So इतना important skill है ये, हम लोग underrated है, but you have to think about it. Okay. And the second thing is my point of view versus perspectives. So usually क्या होता है, we always put in and force feed our point of view, right? I feel this is right, मुझे लगता है ये सही है, मेरा मानना है ये ऐसा है. That is just the 5% of the information that you have, because everyone has a point of view and everyone has a perspective today, and you never know whose perspective can create a significant difference. There are case studies you can later Google. A small suggestion given by a simple member from a team in the Google made them millionaire, because they gave their suggestion to their founders. So tomorrow, if you are working on any idea, you should be okay to take up the suggestion with your family, friends, professors, people who are younger than you, elder than you. Take their perspective, because they have also they have something to bring to the table. Now you have to apply that filter and use the perspective that can help your business. And if you're working on a startup idea, then it is 100% your customer's perspective would matter. Okay, आपको कोई चीज पसंद है, आपको वो चीज आगे प्लान करना है, बट जब तक कस्टमर एक्सेप्टेंस ही नहीं है तो कैसे चलेगा? वो आपको गेन करने के लिए you have to become a very good listener, very good listener. So you have to think like that. And the third thing is, most of the times we are self-obsessed, and there is no harm. We are in the age that we are in, we are growing, we are evolving as human beings. It is fine to be, and I can understand, because I've also been through that stage. Okay, a lot of entrepreneurs here have also been through that stage. But you take up any of the success stories from any of the field, if you leave the money and the other aspect, they are being inclusive. Try to include everyone. Tomorrow, if you're starting a business, okay, you might end up hiring 50 people, correct? Or tomorrow, if you're working with a company, you might end up working with 50-100 people. So while you would be working with 100 other people, you have to be inclusive yourself. You can never ask people to change for you. You have to change. And you guys better know, this pandemic has changed our ways of looking at life and things. So it is who you have to change. So being inclusive. So these are, it's like I'm literally telling you, this is what is required to develop an entrepreneurial mindset. But there is no, other special thing. What simple things, you have to do it consistently. That is going to help you. Yeah. Just give me a moment. Yeah. Okay. Now approach. Okay. Now today, wherever you are, you would have experienced all the good, bad, whatever experiences in your life you have had. So it is never failures. Always remember that. When we have, हम लोग born होके यहाँ पर बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं, and pandemic में एक अच्छा session चल रहा है, 3 दिन से sessions चल रहे हैं. That means everything is possible. Number one, it is how we leverage. Okay. Second, replace the word failures with learnings. Always remember that. Replace that word. Okay. Either you grow or you learn. There is no success or failures. Yes, in the first slide, I had to put in that word success, because that is the language where I can share my thoughts. but either you learn or you evolve or grow. Okay, so today you would have enough good learnings जो जिसने आपको help किया to decide the path, or certain learnings that would have helped you, given you that reality check of who you are. So you have to always, मतलब आपको ना ड्रैग करना है इमोशनली कुछ चीजों को, ना किसी चीज को लेके सुपरफिशियली हैप्पी रहना है. You have to just observe. Okay, definitely अभी थोड़ा it would be a bit too early to say this, but it is good to have this. Yeah.
Fine, how are you?
Just a moment. Yeah,
Negative.
Just a call. Yeah, just a call.
Negative, yes, that's the news. कोई बोलते हैं आजकल किसी को बोल भी नहीं सकते हैं. You have to stay positive. Sam.
Sagar sir, you are mute.
I am on mute because there was another.
No, it's fine.
Just a minute. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. No.
Cool. Is my screen visible, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yeah. So I was saying learning from the past. So you have to derive from there. And always remember, long term is never out of fashion. Usually हमारा life कैसे चलता है? Usually we think short term कि अभी मुझे ये 3 महीने में मुझे ये करना है, 1 महीने में मुझे next मेरा step ये होगा. We are very impulsive, and there is no one is to be blamed. This is how is the evolution process. But always remember, as I said, whatever you do is a marathon. So remember, long-term thinking can never be out of fashion. Whatever, be it Messi, be it the Avengers, or be it everything that you like, it happened for a long term, right? So even in the entrepreneurial journey that you might want to take, or developing a mindset that that is required, or even if you take up a new job after your studies, long term can never be out of fashion. So always remember that. Third is focus on vertical and horizontal experience. So let me share what a vertical experience is. Okay, now you're in your classroom, you are having your friends, professors who are there to guide you and support you in your journey, right? Which is amazing, because that is how you're developing your ecosystem. Now when we talk about horizontal experience, try after during the weekend, try attending. There are a lot of free webinars that are happening online, correct? Try attending a design thinking happened for you guys. I don't try taking workshops that are completely different from the field, or completely a concept that you would want to learn, be it a blockchain or a cryptocurrency, or something that is relevant to your idea. I am just naming for an example. That is how you gain horizontal experience. Everything will complement each other as you grow, because tomorrow, while you are in a job or you start something of your own, you are expected to be an all-rounder. Okay, so अपने subject matter में जितना necessary information है आप वो gain करो जो आपके लिए, but you also focus on things that might later you can then connect the dots. Like when I'm saying this, the frequency could be limited, but it should happen. ऐसा नहीं that you're just glued to your studies. And specifically, see, this is a very personal feedback that I'm sharing. The way we are moving forward is that there's a lot of content consumption happening on Netflix, Amazon, and all, which is I understand, correct? But even in that, there are amazing documentaries on startups. There are amazing, content available. Be it web workshops, webinars, but try to, form perspectives from different domains. So आगे जाके ये बहुत help करेगा. So वो लेकिन जैसे ऊपर लिखा है कि लॉन्ग टर्म, सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग लॉन्ग टर्म कि अगर आपका एक बिजनेस आइडिया भी है, वो आइडिया को नर्चर करने के लिए क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन जरूरी है. यस, प्रोफेसर्स है, कॉलेज है, वो लोग शेयर करेंगे. अब मैं अभी दिस इज what is happening right now is a horizontal experience. I come from a startup incubation center. I have no idea of how this particular industry works, but still I'm able to relate कि yes, entrepreneurship जो fundamental है वो सब चीजों में सेम होगा, right? A fundamental can never be different. So try to get into the fundamentals of the ideas that you are wanting to develop. So that is going to later help you. So today you might want to transform something in this domain. So what is PharmEasy, 1mg.com, Practo? This is all a result of few people who were interested in your domain, plus they kept themselves updated on business aspect of things. So that becomes easier, right? So today I am updating myself on how pharma industry is, growing and what is the future. So that will later help me only guide startups who are planning to, start journey on this segment. So this is how, you gain your vertical and horizontal experience. Now, do you have any questions here? Anyone want to ask anything? Feel free to share your thoughts. Okay, now why developing an entrepreneurial mindset is important. So the first question, why in that segment is, can we enhance our ability to see problems as opportunities? Okay, can we do that? So either while there is any problem that you face, be it in your college, your personal life, or your startup, specifically startup aspect of life, you have to start seeing problems as opportunities and not as complaints. If this guy who is there in this screen, Albert Einstein and many of them, okay, or Thomas Edison, any of them, if they never thought problems as opportunities, we wouldn't have got the electricity or the other enjoyment, that the other, things that are giving us happiness in life, correct? So you have to start seeing problems as opportunities. This is the question that you have to ask. So can we enhance our ability to see the reality as it is, correct? There is too much of anxiety, there is too much of, what do you call, जिसे हम कहते हैं हिंदी में, there is so much of shore around that actually avoids you to see the reality as it is. Okay, if this person, Gautam Buddha, if he did not had chosen a path where he was able to see the reality as it is, wouldn't he be able to create a significant difference in the world? Because his thoughts has really shaped a lot of individuals. Now let me tell you with an example. Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, they all have spent 1.5 years in India, okay, to enhance their perspective on life. So we may not know all what these entrepreneurs did, but I'm telling you, there is no secret sauce. This is it. Okay. And you might have heard a lot of big companies. Michael Dell is the founder of Dell Laptops. He says that we are the biggest startup in the world. Why does he say that? Why does Reliance Jio, they say that, we are the startup of the century? Because they also understand the power of having a entrepreneurial or a startup mindset. And this is what we have been discussing. These are the questions that we need to ask. Okay. And then all the Avenger fans, can we be a self-starter? Can we do whatever it takes? Now, once you are on a path, once you get a bit of a clarity on the things that we discussed and some learnings that you have in your life, can you give a year or a two to develop and build your idea? Can you do whatever it takes to achieve what you want to do? Okay, but be keeping a realistic track on it. It's not then कि मेरे को motivation मिल गया तो मैं करूँगा, ऐसा नहीं. क्या मैं उस पे realistically work कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ? This is the question that you have to ask. So I'm hoping that the entrepreneurial bug has bitten. Okay, that means you're at least thinking about this. So let's discuss few more things or what you can do to build this particular mindset or an attitude. Okay. Now, if you have any product or a service idea on your domain, okay, or any other domain, talk to at least 50 people. Talk to at least 50 people one-on-one. अब इसमें क्या होगा? You will have a fear that would someone steal my idea? या कोई मेरा idea चुरा ना ले? Is the question. You know, that's trust me. Today there are 7 billion people on the planet, and there are 20 to 25, 100%, I'm sure, capable people who can build a new Facebook or an Instagram or a WhatsApp. But would they be able to build exactly like a WhatsApp or a Facebook? No, that is not possible, because it is the execution that differentiates. There are plenty of restaurants around our home, right? But you still prefer to eat Chinese or pizza from a particular restaurant. Doesn't that mean that the other pizza or a Chinese restaurant is not working? No, they have their own set of customers. So you have to, unlearn the fear side. Ki, okay, you should be comfortable discussing your ideas with people. You might get critical feedback. You might, if someone is trying to copy the idea, which is an indication that you're on the right path. That means what you're thinking is on the right line, because it is so, mouth-watering for them. So you have to start thinking like that, at least at this stage, because you're a student. Okay. Now, what happens is, while you discuss things, your own concepts get clear. There is a bubble in your mind कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि this is how I would want to do, but then you will get a good, bad, critical, positive, optimistic feedback, and that is going to help you. And once you discuss, it automatically takes you out of what is called the assumption syndrome. Okay, there is a lot of decisions or influences happens in our life that we fall into a trap of the assumption syndrome. कितना टाइम हम सिर्फ अज्यूम करते हैं, लेकिन आप जब बात करोगे आपके पोटेंशियल कस्टमर से, या जो आपको लगता है कि डिस्कस करना बेटर, जिन लोगों से भी आप डिस्कस करना चाहते हो, तो assumption से आपको बाहर निकालेगा, and that will lead you to think what I want versus what customers want, which means that once you're out of the assumption syndrome, you will start addressing the pain points of the customers. Okay, that means आपको जो पसंद है वो आपने डिस्कस किया, उसमें आपने इनपुट्स लिया, देन अभी कस्टमर्स को क्या वैल्यू क्रिएट करेगा, देन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दैट. So how small things are interconnected, so you have to think like that. अभी इमीडिएटली पेंडेमिक में आप क्या कर सकते हो? अभी जैसे आप करंट वीकेंड पे क्या कर सकते हो? देयर आर लॉट ऑफ बिजनेसेस दैट आर स्ट्रगलिंग. आप कोई फैमिली या फ्रेंड्स में ही देख लो. You would be having your chacha, mama, a lot of family members who are struggling with their business. Get on a call with them. Try to understand what is how they are trying to grow their business again. Contribute. If not, listen to them. So these are the simple things that if you do in the next 1-2 years, that is going to change and bring in a lot of new perspective that that you're seeking. And see, बोलते ना, आप कितना भी ये सेशन सुन लो, बट आप उसको प्रैक्टिकली जब तक एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करोगे, तब तक you will not come to know where you are. So start discussing. You can whenever, अभी तो sometimes there is a local tailor or a local grocery. Obviously you should wear your masks and everything, but if you know someone who is struggling, try to give your knowledge, discuss with them. That is how it can help you think broadly. Okay. Industry specific networking, as I said. Now, if you would want to, if you like Ratan Tata's thoughts, if you like, someone's thought, follow them on LinkedIn. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनके साथ बात ही करना. Follow, try to, gain their perspective. Try to read a track of what they are wanting to do. Align your interests with the people that you feel are game changers in that particular domain. Automatically you will start consuming good content. Automatically you will be exposed to the thoughts that can help you, take you to the next level. Okay. And the third thing is information management. Okay. Now you would have, because of pandemic, things are going virtual. Okay. You have to choose your battles wisely, is what I say. हमें ना life हमेशा struggle ही लगेगा. Okay. Because we feel that we are battling with everything, okay, around us. But you have to choose your battles wisely. That means whatever interest areas that you are wanting to grow at, then you just focus on those information points or those things. मतलब ये ऐसा कर रहा है तो मैं वैसे करूं, the other person is doing that so I should do that. नहीं, it should be always inward outward. What you want to do, then you start your battle there. Start figuring out things there. Okay, now whatever things that we discussed, let me give you a perspective here. There is a red mark, I'm sorry for that, but let me give you a perspective. Okay, now many people say that मुझे अगर startup करना है या मुझे entrepreneur बनना है तो मुझे चाहिए पैसे, funding, correct? But you read the first point, the 42% of the businesses fail because not of money, because there is no market need. Okay. Now, when we say no market need, it means the person who is building or developing a startup idea is obsessed with his or her idea, okay, or is unable to understand what customer wants, okay. And these are the 2 points that we discussed. Okay. Now, the reason why I'm sharing this slide is that by end of this session, you should not feel that someone came between 2 and 3 p.m. He gave us a philosophy. No, I'm not here to. Your time is valuable. My time is valuable, right? So I am here to tell you that what, all that philosophy is this data will tell you that yes, it is reality. Now, see point number 3. That is not the right team. Okay, that is 23%. Point number 3 definitely ran, and even the point number 2 is ran out of cash. That means somewhere funding was there, but there was a mismanagement of funds. Okay. Now you see point number 3, not the right team. That means you are not working or developing the business idea with the right set of people, or you are not able to convince people to work with you. It could be that also. And how that can be improved? If you become a better team player, if you become inclusive. This is what it is translating to, correct? Now go to, see, 14% is ignore customers. Okay, now ignore customers. Now ignore customers is that you're not listening to them. You're not listening to your customers. That means, again, you're not putting a deep thought on what they want. Okay, this is the point that we discussed. Okay, losing focus is also about it is about 10%. Okay, I think you can see my, okay, let me, okay, it's 13%. Okay, lack of passion, now you are passionate about your idea, it is 9%. Didn't use network, if you see on the right hand side, it is 8%. They didn't use their network, and we spoke about networking in the earlier slide. So whatever this we discuss is just the reverse engineering of this slide. So my job here is to tell you that whatever attitude or entrepreneurial mindset that you want to develop or you should develop can never go on, can never be wasted. Be it you take up your own startup, or you work with a company, or in your personal life, you want harmony. So here there is a point, right? Disharmony among team and investors. Now, disharmony among team and investors simply means you're not right, you're not right frame of mind. Maybe you're too much egoistic or whatever. I'm just giving an example. But all these reasons that you're seeing here results in a loss of about 20 billion US dollars every year. And this loss is happening through all the educated people. These people, all of people have gained their basic education. So can we ignore this? Forget about entrepreneurship, but in general, can we, through our knowledge and our mind, can we completely, try to see the reality as it is and build what we are wanting to build? So this is the question that you have to ask. But there is no point, being best in the presentation or being the best of, in your own mind. Then at the end of the day, you would be paid, or you would be getting money in your business because you are creating a value. And when we talk about creating a value, you have to start creating value for yourself. So everything is connected. I'm definitely, we have 10 more minutes, but I think this is the basic. And I feel at this stage, I'm happy that your college took an effort to plan this series, and something, a session like this that can keep you moving, not only after this session but also in your calendar year, when you think कि अच्छा ऐसा कुछ मैंने सुना था तो ये जरूरी है. Someone wants to take a snapshot, no problem, I am ready to share the presentation also. अगर आपको बाद में अलग से रेफर भी करना है तो I don't mind. But what I am focusing here is that this all things can be avoidable, and then no one will stop you to become a better entrepreneur, or or whatever you want to do in life. Okay, so why it is important to take up entrepreneurship? Okay, now let's be very real. Okay, we are in the middle of a pandemic. Okay, things are improving, but also one more thing is that today you and me have to start thinking as a job creator and not as a job doer. Okay, ठीक है, मुझे ये भी समझता है, I understand this, that not every one of us will become an entrepreneur, but the mindset is critical. You never know tomorrow what is it that you're going to learn, what is it that you're going, how you're going to evolve. But having a job creator's mindset can also create a good value. Think about this. And at the end of the day, tomorrow you will earn your first salary or your first income. Slowly as you grow, you will automatically, the shift will be on how can I economically or socially create an impact. It will happen. Okay, it has happened to me, it has happened to all your professors, it has happened to your parents. It will happen. Your focus will shift to the economic and social impact. And then one thing, मुझे तो स्टार्टअप करना है, लेकिन मैं क्या करूं? I don't have any creative idea. ऐसा भी होता है. Trust me, India में there are already a billion problems or a million problems that still exist. You just have to pick that one and you have to start solving. Okay, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि there are so many challenges. अभी जो simple, all the sessions that are happening online, correct? So पहले तो imagine ही नहीं किया था कि ऐसा induction भी online हो सकता है. But pandemic taught us, right, कि ये possible है. Everything is possible. So there is also where you have to see problems as opportunities, something that we discussed, right? So is it worth giving a try? Is the time right? Okay, so trust me, we are the privileged generation of all times, even during the pandemic. हम लोग इतना connected है एक दूसरे से, इतना हर चीज हम share कर सकते हैं, हर information available है. मतलब electricity है, internet है, रोटी कपड़ा मकान है, information है, सब ecosystem है. You have to start thinking that everything around us is a privilege. You have to start feeling it, because आप complain, हम तो complain कर ही नहीं सकते. See, किसी का genuine case होगा, वो मैं समझ सकता हूँ. I'm not ignoring that. But if you're complaining of third world problems, then then better you have to change a lot from a perspective. Okay? And if you are wanting to give it a try, then it will definitely make you a better problem solver. Being a startup journey, or wanting to do something of your own, will make you a better problem solver. And this is what we are educated for. You are getting educated, I am getting educated, so that tomorrow as professionals we solve problems. We solve problems in our domains. Okay. And the last point, by this I will end my presentation. It will make you an efficient leader and not an effective leader. Okay. Now, effectiveness comes later. Once you take up an entrepreneurial path, once you are developing your mindset and attitude, okay, you will become an efficient person, because you will then start doing things or take actions that are response based. Okay, and that response and all the actions will turn you effective. So it will definitely make you an effective person for sure. So I'm done. Thank you so much. Feel free to share any questions, any thoughts. Happy to address those. Yeah, over to you.
So are there anyone who want to ask any questions to sir? Please put it in the chat box, or you can also unmute yourselves.
Yeah, feel free to ask, no worries.
So I guess there are no questions.
I have one question, sir. Which is the right time for a student to think about the entrepreneurship? Whether second year, third year, final year, which is the best time you can see?
So I just feel that first year and second year, see, at the end of the day, as I said, there is no time, if you are into it, it's good. But yeah, the advantage that a first year and a second year students have, that they have 2 years to explore a lot in their field. They can work, rework, they can evolve faster. So that is an advantage that you guys have as first year or second year student, because you still have time to think, ideate, discuss. So yeah, if that answers the question. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Are there any other questions? So thank you so much for showing the reality and the bright side for our futures.